Let me directly shock you with a fact of numbers. 65% of all battery supply worldwide comes from China. Compared, for example, to crude oil, which is now the main energy source worldwide, no more than 20% come from a single country. So you can see here how powerful China becomes, and to fight against this statistic becomes almost a patriotic act, guys. And we are talking about a company here in the vlog today that actually try to conquer exactly that. All right, so this is very interesting because if you're thinking what is the most futuristic market out there, and if you're thinking like batteries, it is with all the rare materials, then this is exactly it. So you got it nailed on the point. So we are talking about Defense Metals today, a stock that is interesting for you if you want to apply pressure on the very, very high growth industry, because batteries and rare metals are going into anything, MRIs, cars, electric cars, mobile phones, everything that is around you. And there's a very, very interesting knowledge and wisdom that you can apply to your investing if you look around you, right? Where you spend and with what you spend most of your time during the day, invest in exactly that thing. So you can see all the information that we will talk about in the link into the description and the comment box, and we will dive directly into it. But let me tell you first the main project of Defense Metals, the Wichita project. Here we go.
The company is advancing the Wichita LREE deposit, one of the highest grade road-accessible deposits in North America, with a mineral resource of 17 million tons with an average of 3% LREO. Defense Metals, North American Rare Earth Metals.
So as you can see, it's very, very promising, and it's very, very interesting what the guys are doing. And let me dive into the article that you will find into the link below, because there you will find the whole article which is describing the industry, 7 top reasons. And some of the reasons are quite interesting because you can see that one of the most important aspects of this business is location, okay? And while they are in Canada, you can see that according to the government of Canada, there are an estimate of 15 million tons of rare earth oxides there where Defense Metals will be priority of their time. So all of this said gives you a very good idea where we are going to, and let's dive into the stock chart to see some trends and developments over the last couple of weeks. So let's talk about Defense Metals, this stock that maybe will be part of our rescue from the dependency of China and other countries. And just something general here. Obviously, they are founded in 2016, as you can see here. Headquarters are in Vancouver, and you can see here also the ticker symbol. And if you're looking into the stock, then the first thing that you can see here, the market cap is 26.36 million Canadian dollars, and as the price is below $5, which makes it by definition a penny stock, which is always quite volatile. But obviously it can be also quite volatile for your advantages, right? I mean, just look at that. Just yesterday, as of this recording, yesterday was a pretty down market day again after the day before, and still Defense Metal Corporation could make 5% positive on their stock, which is quite astonishing. I mean, that's quite nice strength here. But more to that, even if you're looking into the 6 months chart, you can see here that definitely there's an uptrend into the stock. So, back in September 2020, for example, the stock was at 14 Canadian dollar cents, and at the highs were even at 72. So very big. You can 5 times your money since then if you would be on top of that ride. And this is, showing you the potential of this kind of stocks, but also you can see here volatility obviously with the overall stock market. Since then the stock also lost about 25-30% of its value, which can be attributed to the overall market, which is happening now with many stocks. However, you can see here that it's possible that this company is very volatile sometimes, but again, this can be your advantages also, but always be careful and make sure you make your own research for everything that you see anywhere in the internet, obviously, specifically with penny stocks. But yeah, let's have a look. What are the 52 weeks lows and highs, because this is even more interesting. You can see here the lowest price in the last 52 weeks was 7 Canadian dollar cents, and the 52-week high was 75. So you could more than 10x your money if you would be on that ride on this stock quite early. It's still very early times. I mean, the company is a quite small company, so you can see here that the potential is there. Like with many penny stocks, you can 10x your money, or you can also be catched up in very volatile times. So make sure to check out the link into the description where you see all the news as well, and reasons why the stock could be interesting. And now let's jump into the conclusion of this very nice vlog. So after you understood the prologue and also understood where the stock is going and what it's doing, let me just conclude that I believe that the most important part here is that rare earth materials are a fight against time, because as faster companies go to do exactly that, to support the strengths of the industries of the United States and Canada and North America in general against China, for example, it will be a fight against the time, because as sooner as the governments also will support these companies, and I can imagine at some point they will offer them, subsidies or tax exemptions, something to really push forward the development of this business, because it is so crucial and it will be so much of a pressure point that this is something that the government cannot let go for free market, okay? Because if China already controls 65% of only the lithium batteries supply, you can imagine how powerful this becomes. And as you can see, billionaires like Shamas Palihapitiya or other people are trying to find, local companies in North America to exactly go after that. So defense metal also becomes maybe a potential acquiring goal for a bigger company, like maybe, for example, Tesla or other climate change or very much pioneering companies into this business. So, there's a lot of potential for this small company. If you are interested, make sure to make your own research. This is obviously a sponsored video, so this is never a recommendation to buy or sell the stock. Make your own research and check out the article in the link below. And I see you obviously tomorrow. Make sure to subscribe and like this video, and have a wonderful week ahead.